GFN Online News for the 28th of February 2020. I'm Jarrod.
And I'm Yeongju.
Infections in South Korea topped 2,200 today. Let's check out some of the numbers reported from earlier. For other updates, please check the social media channels for GFN as we update them when the news and alerts are released.
You can also find English translation of the movements of the confirmed patients in Gwangju on the main page of GFN website www.gfn.or.kr.
Now, more than 50 countries restricted entry for travelers from South Korea. As the spread of the virus is accelerating, around a quarter of the world has started restricting entry of travelers departing from South Korea.
According to the Korean Ministry of Foreign Affairs, some 50 countries banned or tightened restrictions on entry as of February 28th. 25 countries put a partial or full ban on entry on South Korean passport holders and people and travelers departing from the country, while the rest of the remainder tightened immigration procedures.
The Ministry of Economy and Finance's first Vice Minister Kim Yong-bom said some 5 million face masks will be distributed across the country from today. Kim said the government will provide masks to Nongyop marts, pharmacies, post offices, and more to meet the increasing need. Vice Minister Kim said the government will keep people updated regarding the sales information through respective websites to minimize the confusion over purchasing masks.
Kim added that due to the rising price of raw materials for masks, it is not possible to provide masks at cheaper price than before the outbreak. However, the government will try its best to minimize the distribution price.
Meanwhile, the Korean Pharmaceutical Association decided the appropriate price for a single mask should be around 1,500 won and gave other guidelines regarding sales.
Also, Nongyop decided the price of masks ranging from 771 to 1,981 depending on the quality of masks. Meanwhile, they're also available at post offices for 4,000 won for a box of 5 or individually at around 800 won. Only 5 masks are available for one person a day.
Now, for news from Gwangju City Hall's daily fact check. Reportedly, the city of Gwangju took effective measures to prevent the spread of the virus in the beginning. When the city saw one confirmed case from Sincheonji at late on the night of February 20th, the city requested the Sincheonji representatives to participate in the virus prevention task force team and secured a list of 11 members who went to the Daegu church, and immediately put 7 confirmed patients and people in contact with them under quarantine. These early measures took effect to prevent the spread of the virus.
Also, some 230 Sincheonji members displayed symptoms during the full-scale inspections by the city. Lee Pyong-hyung of the Welfare and Health Department of the city said at a press conference that after the full-scale investigation, some 80% of Sincheonji members on the list, some 230 show symptoms of the virus.
The religious institution submitted some 22,800 members in Gwangju, and the city made all-out efforts with all officials via phone calls to check on their status, and the city reported some suspected cases to the health centers in each district.
Director Lee added that the Sincheonji members with symptoms are asked to be under self-quarantine, and after the additional results, they will go through tests for the COVID-19. Meanwhile, Jeollanam-do announced February 27th that it got 13,500 members list from Sincheonji and checked their status via phone call, and some 60 of them show symptoms.
Now, we will give you some guidelines set out by the KCDC regarding self-quarantine. Please take note. Number 1, don't go outside of the quarantine area to prevent the spread of the virus. Number 2, live alone in a separate room. Keep your door closed and ventilate often by opening up the windows. Also, use the toilet or bathroom for a single person if possible.
3. If you have to go outside for a medical checkup, contact the health center in charge first. Don't talk or touch family or others living together. 4. If inevitable, don't talk face-to-face and keep a distance over 2 meters.
Number 5, avoid sharing items including towels, utensils, and smartphones. And number 6, Adhere to preventative measures including washing hands thoroughly, disinfecting your hands, wearing masks when coughing, and more.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow the social media channels of GFN for other updates. Just search GFN Radio or GFN 987 FM.
Here we will try to bring you the information as quickly as possible in English. Please comment, share, and like, and let us know your concerns. Also, remember these important numbers to call.
You can call 1330 or 1345 for multilingual information. 1330 is available 24 hours in Korean, English, Chinese, and Japanese, and from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. for Vietnamese, Thai, Malay, and Russian.
1345 is available 24 hours in Korean, English, and Chinese, and in 14 languages including Vietnamese, Thai, and Japanese from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays. Also, please do note to check with your airlines or embassies before travel, and they are ready to answer your questions, or check their social media for further updates. That is all we have for you today. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm Jarrod.
And I'm Yeongju.